good, YouTube? It's your boy SSAJ, man. Back with another video, back with another vlog, man. Today, I think we're gonna do a day in the life of an SRT owner. You know what I'm saying? Of an SRT driver, SRT, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? So, right now we are on the road. I am about to go to the dealership. We might be looking at some new cars to see what they got, because every time I go to the dealership, I like to see what they got to see if I want to trade my car for it. You know, so we gonna go see what cars they got. But we are getting an oil change, the second oil change on this car since I had it. I'm going up on almost a year in the next 2 months. So, second oil change since I own the car. And yeah, man, I'm gonna go to the dealership. Probably the mid-monthly delete today. Get some gas. You know, regular, you know what I'm saying? SRT owner stuff. So, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna see you on the next clip. Alright, y'all, man. We got this last call charger right here, man. Wide body. Put that on my car. Should I put that lip on my car, y'all? Y'all let me know, man. Yeah, man. Oh, it's the same thing. No same thing I got. I like the emblem they got right there, the 392 emblem. You feel me? But it say Dodge. Y'all see it say Dodge? Show them real quick. It don't say SRT, so is it SRT or is it an RT, y'all? Y'all let me know. I like it though. Sunroof, you feel me? The orange stitching. Now, if this car like 50-something thousand, well, it got no miles on it. If it's like 60,000, I'll buy it. So if the price on this is 60,000, I'll trade my car for it, y'all. Let's go look at the ticket. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, it cost them $63,000 to make this car. With the markup, it says $70,000 for a 392 motor. At that point, just go Hellcat. Just go use Hellcat with low miles, y'all. We got a last call shaker Chally 5.7. You wouldn't see me buy this though. Not gonna lie. Even as a daily, I wouldn't buy it. But it's hard. It definitely hard. We're gonna see what they got on the lot though. Alright, y'all, man, we on the way to the muffler shop right now as we speak. I couldn't make my exit, but we just made it. We got an SS in front of us. I think he gonna cut up though. I'm trying to make him cut up. He ain't about it though. He ain't about it. Little SS motherfucker. Alright, y'all, we got a muffler delete, a mid-muffler delete. We ain't go straight pipe just yet, because I want to see if I get used to this, because I drive this car a lot now, so I don't really want it to get annoying. But I'm finna show y'all what it sounds like. We gonna downshift a little bit. We might get some more pops with the car too now. Man, I don't know why they gave a young nigga a car like this, y'all. I don't know why they give a young nigga a car like this? Hey, pull up. Hold on, y'all. Oh. Hold on, y'all. We finna see if we can make this bitch fart. Oh my God. Oh my God. This bitch still slow as fuck though. Man, it's time for some performance mods. Alright, YouTube, man, we did get the mid-muffler delete. This is not a cold start, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it though. It just sounds so much better, bro. Makes me feel better. Hey, man, say, man. This is what I go through, man. We just put a 50 ball in this mud. We got my boy right here. We got my boy Marco right here. Let's see what he finna throw in his shit, y'all. But we just threw a 50 ball in the SRT. And we finna go get the detail, because one thing about these white cars, they get dirty as fuck, you feel me? So, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Man, as y'all can see, my boy just got me right. My boy just got me right. We cleaning the SRT now. You feel me? Now we gotta get the wide body right. You feel me? But my boy just got me right, man. So we finna move this motherfucker. Just got the little mid muffler delete on this motherfucker too. Hold on. Let me let y'all hear it real quick. Damn, where my keys at? YouTube. Finna get out a little POV action. You feel me? Get out a little POV action. We in sport mode right now, I think. Yeah, we in sport mode. I'm finna get y'all track mode though. Y'all wanna see what track mode hitting on? What y'all drive in? When y'all in y'all SRT or y'all Hellcat if you got one? Or if you did have one, what would y'all drive in? Sport or track? We gonna go track though. We got a Honda right there trying to fuck with my boy. Now I'm finna go bully his ass. Cause what he on? Fucking with my boy. He cutting up. He cutting up. I ain't even gonna do it. He cutting up, y'all. Boy, these Mopars, boy. I love these motherfuckers. Y'all gotta get y'all one. If your car don't do that, go sell it right now. You feel me? Oh my God. Here we go. Oh, I ain't making that. Yeah, I ain't making that. He tried to brake check me though. Fuck it. You got this Honda up here. That motherfucker moving out of being low, you feel me? That motherfucker moving. That motherfucker moving, y'all. We gonna hawk him down, though. Fuck you talking about? Fuck is he talking about, y'all? He got my boy behind me. Let me slow my black ass down. We only going 70, but shit, it's a speed limit, but let me slow down. I don't even get active like that. I just got a car wash and I'm over here driving fast, getting all these damn bugs on my car. Y'all wanna see if I can get him to race? Let's see if I can get him to race. Downshift a little bit. See, he's scared. He's scared. He's scared. He's scared. Race, nigga. Race, nigga. Why he scared? Nigga trying to do a fucking 100 roll and shit. Yeah, downshift, nigga. He's scared, y'all. He's scared. We running into traffic though, so we can't even race. So, oh well. He on my bumper though, I tell you that. He can watch out. Watch out, little nigga. We got them motherfuckers in the track mode. We finna need gas today, y'all. And we just put gas in here. Oh my God. Pick y'all back up in a minute though. Alright, y'all, man. That's gonna kinda end up the night, man. See if we can make the car shoot some flames or something. Y'all heard that? Got that motherfucking shooting.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought if she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's pre